No, no, don't turn off. This is another football video with Jackhammer. This time we're going to be throwing routes to him. So let's see what he's got. Post route, okay? Set hike. Caught again. Nice job, Jack. Okay, it's good. And if you're wondering, yes, when Jack threw that, I caught that one-handed. Eat it, suckers. Okay, and Jack, now we're gonna run a fly route. Got me?
Yeah.
Set hike. That's not a fly. Okay, that'll count. That'll count. Okay, good job, Jack. So Jack just caught that one. It was a fly route. Pretty good. He didn't run it all the way right, but it was still decent. Jack, we're going to run a hitch and go. Hitch and go. Remember, it's a fake. Set. Hey! Nice. That was good. Didn't catch that one-handed. Still. Okay. Now Jack is going to be running a slant route. Set. He's going to run it short. Set. Hike. Nice. Got it. Okay. Up here. Almost. I didn't catch.
How did he not catch that?
I don't know. Jack. Okay, Jack. Zebra long. Zebra long. Zebra means same, so yeah. Sit. Hike. And he caught it again. Nice. Jack, what's the play you wanted to go? Oh, wait, no, we didn't do this. It's a cut. Don't forget, it's a cut. Okay? Set hike. Caught it. And that just shows you that I can throw routes. Okay, Jack. Nike. Nike. Set. You're going around. Set. Hike. Oh, you still got it. Good job, Jack. Yeah, zombie. I'm going to be here to start. So this play is pretty much, we're doing trick plays now. Set. Hike. Jack, it's zombie fingers. Okay, that was a mess up. Sorry, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Set. Hike. So that's what actually supposed to happen in zombie fingers. I'm supposed to go up and catch it. Which I did. Okay, we did Nike, right?
Yeah.
What's another one?
Plunger.
Yeah, so now we're going to be doing running routes. Set. Hike. Okay, Jack, that's good. Okay, now we're going to do pitch play. We're going to do a pitch play. So remember, it's pitch. So I'm going to go set, hike. It's kind of like Nike, you got to remember. Set, hike. Nice. Good job, Jack. Hey, you don't have to show off all the time. Okay, now we're going to do a little drive view. So we're not going to call any of the plays. You guys are just going to guess them off of what Jack is running. Hee hee. Jack, so that's pretty much what we do all the time. Sit! Sit! Hey! Nice. That was a bad throw by me. Hurry up, Jack. Okay. Back here. Back here. You know what I want. Set. Hike. Oh! Almost. Almost. Okay, I forgot to show you guys this play. It's that. Okay, ready, Jack? Set, hike. Remember, and oh, almost. It's okay, bud. Okay. Okay, this is a lot like Antonio Brown's route where he just runs out of bounds and like on the sideline and catches it. So that's what this is. Ready, Jack? Set. Hike. Inbound. Nice catch. Hey, that was good. You want to be cute?
Sure.
Okay, Jack, see you this time. What do you want?
Sure,
Got it. Oh, I dropped it. That was my bad. Just pass though. I gotta start on this side so I get it better.
You versus hike.
You gotta remember, you can't throw it behind me.
How about I do it?
Nah, I got it. Don't worry. Okay, Jack. Our special play. No, let's do this. How about that? We're doing this. Set, hike. Yeah, it's pretty much a screen, but we don't have any more people, so. And the way we're gonna end this video is with our favorite plays. Kaka. You got me? Set. Hike. It's a fumble, you remembered. You gotta get behind me. Touchdown! And that's the way we end it. Jack Hansen, Devin Norton, best in the world.